In the state of South Carolina, who actually can legally carry a gun into a bar or restaurant that serves alcohol? Hi, I'm David Aylor, an attorney here in the Low Country, and I'd like to answer that question for you. We've heard a lot about this law that's recently passed over the last several months here in the state of South Carolina, allowing certain individuals to carry guns or pistols into a bar or restaurant that actually does serve alcohol. This is an amendment from a prior law that outlawed it. However, there are only certain circumstances that these individuals who have these weapons are allowed to bring them into the establishments. If an individual himself or herself decides to carry their weapon on their person into the restaurant, they're not able to just freely come into the restaurant with the weapon on them. They are able to have that weapon on them if and only if they have a permit. That is a concealed weapons permit that they get from the state of South Carolina. If they have the permit, then they are allowed to carry the weapon inside the business with them, even if that business does serve alcohol. However, the second standard is that person is not allowed to drink alcohol in any form or fashion. They're not allowed to have wine, beer, mixed drinks, or any combination that includes alcohol in it. If they do actually drink alcohol while carrying the weapon, they're in violation of the amended version of this actual statute. Essentially, an individual with a permit to have a concealed weapon is allowed to bring that weapon into the bar or restaurant and keep that weapon on them. However, if the restaurant prohibits the use of any weapons coming into their facility with a sign projected in the front of the building, then under no circumstances can they then bring the weapon into the restaurant or business. For more questions related to criminal defense or other injury issues, you can always contact me at my office at 843-577-5530. or on the web at www.davidaylor.com. Thanks for watching.